Oh my goodness, what? Okay, they're gonna come over just a little bit. All right, well, I better put together a really quick soup maybe, and we can have some salad maybe. Okay, I'm just thinking as I talk to you. All right, well, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Oh my goodness, my husband called and I gotta get together a really quick dinner. So one that my family really liked growing up was this cheesy potato soup. Let's get that started. So come on with me in this video and let's make a really quick dinner. We all need some recipes in our arsenal that we can make at any given time, especially when we get a call from our husband and we got to get a meal together quickly. So today we're going to be making a really quick cheesy potato soup that my kids loved growing up. So come along with me and let's get started. So what we will need is some sour cream, some chicken broth, some cheddar cheese, an onion, and some potatoes. Now you can cook like 4 cups of potatoes up while you're cooking the onion, or you can also get these potatoes at the grocery store, the kind that are like small diced. They're called Simply potatoes, or today I have the Ore-Ida because the Simply potatoes were not in the store last time I went shopping. So come on with me in this video and let's get cooking. Now, as I'm dicing up this onion over here, I have to say that when I worked in a restaurant years ago, my favorite thing to make was soups. And if you've been in a restaurant setting, they have steam kettles that are like so big. And it was so much fun to me because every day we would make a different kind of soup. So anyway, it brings back good memories of my big vats of soup cooking days. All right, to my saucepan, I have a tablespoon of butter here all melted, and next I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of diced onion. I added the 1 tablespoon of butter and the 1 cup of onion, and I'm just going to saute it here really quick. Now the tip I have for you, if you've ever had a problem with your soup getting lumpy when you add cheese all at once, one reason is your soup is way too hot. You do not want it to be boiling, you just want it to be hot. And then you grate your cheese and then you add flour to it. I added a little over a tablespoon to this cup of cheese, and then I stirred it up really good, and now I will very slowly add it to my soup. Now if you have any bacon or sausage, maybe tucked away in your refrigerator or freezer, it tastes great on top of the soup, so you could serve it at the table also, or add a little on in. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Making a nice dinner for company with just a few pantry items. And you can follow me also on Instagram, Mom Lincoln Dawn of Cooking. I'd love to see you guys over there. Leave me a comment in the comment section below the video. Let me know what a quick and easy dinner that you guys like to make would be. And until next time, happy cooking. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.